Hello and welcome to the first video for the Fleurissant theme. This is more of an introductory more than it is an actual video tutorial. I want to cover some things in general of what you're going to see and what you're going to learn from these series of videos. The first thing I want to mention, and you'll hear me mention this a few times throughout these videos, is be sure before you watch a single video that we set up for Fleurissant that you at least are familiar with WordPress. If you're already familiar with WordPress, then don't worry about what I'm getting ready to say. But if you are not, this is the first time you're managing a WordPress site or you're really going to be diving into it, you need to come and watch these videos. It's a link that we supply to you in a login. It's WordPress 101, and there's a series of videos. I'm not sure how many there are. There's about 20, 22, whatever it is. I highly recommend that you watch all of them. Of course, not everybody has the time to watch every single one of these, but it's really important that you watch these first, first three. Don't worry about this too much. What is WordPress? How to install. It's nothing you need to be concerned with. However, these first six, I strongly recommend you watch these. And the more you can watch, the better it's going to help you. The reason I say that is when I'm doing tutorials for you, I'm not stopping to say what a page means, what media section means, what a link means. I'm not doing the basics, hence the 101. I'm not going to go fast. However, if you're not familiar with some of this terminology, sections that I'm popping in and out of, you're going to be completely lost and have lots of questions and quite frankly get frustrated. We don't want that. We want this to be easy for you. There's already going to be a lot to learn. It's going to be a little overwhelming in the beginning. And this is going to kind of curb that a little bit. It's going to help you through the process. So again, the more of these you can watch, even if it's just 2 minutes for each one, the better it's going to help you. Now, a quick caveat to that is he's just going to kind of cover basic WordPress themes. We have an advanced WordPress theme. So when you see what these videos are showing you as far as the admin goes, and then what you see in here, it's going to look a bit different. That's normal. It's typical because our theme offers more. But to reiterate what's going on here is he's going to cover the basics, such as logging in. How do you log in? Where do you log in? Your dashboard, media uploading, things like that. Again, we're not covering those things. All right. So if you haven't watched those, stop right now, start watching them before you start going through and plowing through our tutorial videos because you'll be completely lost. Next thing is there's going to be some videos in here that are from other themes. Basically, a lot of our options are carried from one theme to the other, so as opposed to doing another video again on the same exact subject that we've covered before, we'll pop in a tutorial. It's going to cover that same section. So for instance, let's just say the homepage slider. If it's the same thing on another site as it is on this one, you'll see that tutorial for that. So don't get confused or lost or wondering why you're seeing a tutorial for the simplicity theme when you are actually working on the Fleurissant theme. So I'm just going to throw that in there in case you're wondering if you see that. That way you're not confused as to what's going on. Okay, that'll do it for this one.